Hey, almost done with our week. Oh, let me close this blind so I don't blind you guys out. It's very sunny and warm here today. All right. So, today's math lesson should be an easy one for you. You'll have 4 pages. Yeah, 4 pages, but it's all review. You're just adding or subtracting. I'm going to be crossing off a bunch of stuff because you won't hear a lot of teachers say this, but I don't care how you get the answer. I just want you to get the right answer. So I don't care if you use the strategies that are listed in the book. I would rather you use a number line or your tens frames or thinking in your head. I want you to try to get away from using your fingers, but I know a couple of you are still out there still using your fingers. But I would rather you use your number line and your tens frames because that's what I've taught you with the most, and that's what you should know, rather than the strategies listed in the book that we haven't. Some of them we've really talked about, some of you don't, but I don't know if all your parents will know it, but your parents should know a number line and a tens frames because that's what we've been doing since we've been doing virtual learning. Okay, so you are doing page 8.6 or lesson 8.6, page 296, 297, and then we'll flip the page and do 298 and 299, and I'll show that to you in a minute. Okay, so we're just working on strategies and how you can add. So it says, look at these pictures. How could you use each picture to show addition? So we have the number line, which is just like our number line, except this one has a cute little frog. I'm going to lower my screen a little bit. Okay, sorry guys, I'm trying to get it so everybody can see everything. Okay. All right, so a number line, if we had 6 plus 7, well, that one doesn't start. For this number line, let's do 5 plus 8. You start with 8, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you move your pencil or your counter. The frog would hop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay. Here we have 4 plus 5. We could go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the count on strategy. Or here we have the tens frames. We see 9 plus 5, but we know to think 10, we're going to fill it in, and we know 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay, so I'm not worried about the strategy. I'm worried that you know the answer. So 6 plus 7. On our number line, so I can make sure you know this. 6 plus 7, we would start at 6, and we go 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know 6 plus 7 is 13. Okay. 9 plus 2. If we wanted to use our tens frames. Okay. We would show 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 2 over here. So we see 9 plus 2. But I know I need to fill this in and think 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. All right, so on all these pages, you can use your number line or your tens frame. So I know 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, so I'm not worried about this part. Don't do this part. Add your numbers. 8 plus 0. Well, if I have 8 and I don't add any more, I know I have 8. Okay. I like the number line the best. That's the one I would go with. Okay, next one is 5 plus 6. You have 5 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay. So that's what you're going to do for these. Finish this page. Over here, don't worry about this. I just want you to answer. 2 plus 6. Number line. 2 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I realize you guys can't see me. 2 plus 6. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay, so over here I'm going to write 8. Okay, down here, don't worry about which strategy. Okay, it's just wanting you, actually don't even do this part. I don't like this part, don't do it. Okay, so on page 296 and 297, you're answering the blue boxes and you're answering the white boxes. Okay, we're not worried about the strategy. I just want you to try and get the correct answer. Okay? And then, if you turn the page, you have this page with the keys, which is subtraction. And you have this page with the review. You're finding the missing number. Here you're using the tens frames, what you see, what you think. And on this one, you're drawing arrows to show 13 plus 2. This is all review. You should do this. Okay? I'm going to do this one to remind you how to do subtraction on a number line. So 15 minus 7. 15 take away 7. You're going to start with the big number. And remember, when we subtract, our numbers get smaller. So we're going to go the opposite way. So 15 minus 7 is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 15 minus 7 is 8. So right there you would put your 8. Okay? Mostly review. You guys should be able to do this with no problems, but if you have questions, ask your parents, ask me. Use your number line. Your number line will be very, very helpful to you. If you haven't made one, make one. I'll hold this up real quick. You can pause the video and make one. This is going to be your best friend in 1st grade and 2nd grade and for the rest of your life when you're adding and subtracting with your big numbers. Okay, so here you go. Have a great Thursday afternoon, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.